Hi children, welcome to our Sheba Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am very happy to see you all through this online class. Okay, so this is our third class. So you would have seen the two classes before. Okay, so a very happy morning to you all. Today we are going to see about supplementary. Okay, so in that the name of the supplementary is Auli. Okay. Auli. Auli means you may think what is Auli? That is owl. Owl only. Owl. Did you see owl? You can see this owl in the forest, everything. Okay, forest, jungle we say. You can see the owl in these places. But naturally we can't see near our houses. It is very rare. Means sometimes only you can see the owl. But really it is a bird. It looks very nice. If you see, even sometimes if you see the owl, no, you will get very attractive. It looks very beautiful. How it is beautiful? The owl eyes, it is very big. See here, have drawn the owl for you. So this is owl. Okay. See the eyes of the owl, it is very big. Okay. What is the color of the owl? The color of the owl is brown and grey in color. Okay. So about this owl only we are going to see in this supplementary. A nice story was written about this Auli. That let us see. Before that, I hope you are all safe in your home because you are so good children. You obey your parents. You never go outside unnecessarily because you are Sheba school children. Okay. So now let us move through this lesson. Okay. Now let us move through this chapter. Okay. Auli. Mom, Payal, you all in panic. Owl is gone. What this story is about? A mother and your daughter. The daughter name is Payal. Okay. She said in panic. Panic means, oh mother, where the owl has gone? She was asking. She saw that in the cage the owl was not there. So she shouted and she said to her mother, Mom, where this owl has gone? Where would she have gone, Payal? Her mother said crossly. So Payal's mother, what she said? She said, where would have this owl has gone? She was right there sleeping in her cage a little while ago. Payal mother said, little while ago, before only I saw the owl, it was in the cage. But she was not there now. And mom, the door of the garden is open. That Payal got mother running into the room. Sure enough, there was no sign of owl. Means, mother said to Payal, just now only I saw the owl in the cage. But Payal said, no mom, now I saw the owl was not inside the cage and the garden was also open. So by hearing this one, Payal mother ran to see it. What was an owl doing in your house, you ask? Well, Payal house was a home to all kind of creatures, mainly abundant animal. People brought lost dog, injured cat and baby birds that have fallen out of the cage to Payal's mother. Okay, it wasn't that they have a large farm or even a large house. It is just that everyone knew that Payal mother had a big heart. But even in a household used to such unexpected visitors, Auli advent had been memorable. Shefali Didi has just turned up one day carrying a carton. Okay, so I will explain this one. What happened? You would have think what the owl is doing in Payal's house. But it was like that. Payal mother was have very big heart. Means all the nearby the neighbor's house also, if they saw any cat or dog. See, I have drawn for you that dog, cat and that this type of small creatures, means the bird, sparrow, everything. Okay, if anyone has seen that outside, maybe the bird's injury means maybe hurt in leg, yeah, whatever, yeah, whether it is fell down from the nest, the small sparrow, a small birdie, if it fell from the nest, like this type of the animals and birds, they used to bring and give it to Payal's mother. You may think why Payal's mother they are giving. Payal mothers used to take care of this type of the animals and birds. So he used to keep in a small cages, small cages he used to keep for this kind of animals as well as birds also. You may think whether they maybe have a big house, a farm. No, they don't have that much big house also, not a farm also. But her mother's, Payal's mother, heart is very big. Big means he used to feel very sad for this type of the animals and birds. So because of that only, all the neighboring, the peoples whoever saw this injury animals, birds, they used to give it to the Payal's mother. When Payal mother opened the curtain, there was the smallest of owlet sitting in one corner. Okay. So before that, not only this one, even the Payal's mother house, so unexpected visitors used to come to meet Payal's mother. The such type of one person came, that was Shefali Didi. The name of the Didi name, Didi means sister. Sister name was Shefali. What she did, she bought carrying a carton. Carton means you don't think anything different. It is a box, like type box, but it is not made up of that wood. Like we say in a thick board, cardboard, like, but it was very thick. Okay. So Payal mother opened it. She opened the box. She saw a small owlet. Okay, sitting in one corner. In the box, the owlet was sitting in one corner. Side in one corner, the owlet was sitting. So you may think, what is owlet? The owl, young one, is known as the owlet. The owl young one is known as the owlet. Okay. So you may thinking why why Mrs. saying that owly, owly. Like that you may be have your name also. No. For example, Rama, Ramya, Shanti. Like that we have our own names. No. By seeing that names only we identify everything. The same way Payal kept one name for this owl as an owly. Okay. Now let us see. So they was trying to open the box. Payal mother opened the box and she saw a small owlet. I told you, no, owlet means the young one of the owl. So it was sitting in one corner. A small ball of brown and grey. What was the color of the owlet? It was brown and grey. The color of the feathers, the whole body, it was brown and grey. Payal mother picked up her gently and placed her in her lap. What did Payal mother did? He gently means slowly, softly she picked up. Picked up means she took that owlet and she kept it on her lap. Okay. So talking to her just as she would be to the dogs. She never handled owls before. Payal's mother before she did not handle means she didn't take care of the owl. She don't know about owl anything. But when she saw the owlet, he justly picked it gently and she kept it on her lap. So she had never handled owls before. So she was very careful not to get picked. Because she didn't, Payal mother, she did not handle the owls before. So she took the owl, she kept it on her lap and she was very careful that the owl should not pick it. Picked means it should not bite the Payal's mother. So she was taking care of that. When the owl got used to her, she seemed relaxed enough. When she saw that Payal mother took the owl and she kept it on her lap, the owl felt very relaxed. Payal mother placed her inside a cage. There were also empty cages in Payal's house, just in case a bird dropped in. The baby owl climbed on the rod and settled herself. Oh, after that, what Payal mother did? Payal mother placed inside a cage. Do you know what is cage I have drawn for you? Payal mother, what she did? She dropped the owl inside the cage. So what the owl did? It just climbed on the rod and it sat on the rod. Mom, what shall we call her? Asked Payal. Payal asked to her mother, okay, now we got one owl. So what shall we call her? How should we call her? We must have some name to call her. You choose a name, said her mother. Her mother said to Payal, you choose one name for this owl. How should we call the owl? How about Owly? Asked Payal. Payal said, Mummy, if we call this owl as an owly, how it will be? So Owlie it was. The name was settled, but there was a bigger problem. What does one feed an owl? Okay, now they brought an owl, they kept it in the cage. They have decided, they have kept one name also. For that owl, they kept a name as an Owlie. But there was a big problem to Payal's mother. What is it? They don't know what to give feed for an owl. Okay, because before they don't take care of the owl, they used to take care of the dog, cat, then sparrow, then a birdie, like that only. This was the first time they were taking care of an owl. Say they don't know what to feed for the owl. Owls are hunters. They eat rat and snake and frog. And in Payal house, they were all vegetarian, even the dogs. Already I told you that in Payal's house so many animals was there, that means dog, cat, everything. Payal mother was a vegetarian. Vegetarian means they never used to eat that meat, fish, like that crab, prawn, like that they never used to eat. They used to eat only vegetables, prepared, cooked by the vegetables only. Even they have dog, cat also, they never used to give the meat to the cat and dog also. But this owl only eat like meat only, means non-veg, that means maybe rat, snake, frog, that is the food for the owl. So, but now that Owlie had to come to stay. She had to get over a dislike for meat. Even though the mother don't like the meat, she was a pure vegetarian. But what to do? She has to take care of an owl, and the owl used to eat only the meat only. So she has to drop, means she has to leave it. So what she did? There was another reason why that day was memorable. It was the first day that meat was brought to her house. Payal got the number from her friend and called the meat shop to ask them to deliver half a kilogram of minced meat to the house. But this was a memorable day also, we said. Why it was a memorable day? Because that was the first time in Payal's house they brought a meat. Meat means non-vegetarian food. Okay. So it was a memorable for Payal's mother. She took the number from her friend and she called the meat shop owner and she said that she need a half kg, means half kilogram, kg of minced meat. What is the meaning of minced? Means smashed small pieces of meat. They put the meat before Owlie. So after bringing the meat, what did Payal mother did? She put the meat near the Owlie. Of course, Owlie did not know what to do with it. Really no, because the Owlie was very small. Before throwing the meat, the Owlie did not know what to do with this. She was just sitting like that itself. She was just a baby. After all, if the mother owl would have been there, she would have softened the meat and shoved it down Owlie's throat. Real no, if the owl was with that Owlie, that small young owlet, if it was with the mother, her mother would have taken care of the Owlie, this small owlet. She used to prick her with her mouth. She would have choked it, she would have made it soft, and she would have kept it in her that small owlie's throat inside. But of course, she don't have mother. So Payal mother decided she has to become mother owl. So now Payal mother, what did she thought? She thought that I will become as an owl mother. So she picked it up, a tiny bit of meat with the right hand and squeezed it up until it was soft. Even though Payal mother was a vegetarian, what to do? She used to feed the Owlie. So what she did, she took in her right hand a small piece of meat and she nicely smashed it. She made it very soft and she put it in the owlet's throat. Okay. So then with her left hand, she pressed open Owlie's beak. Means with the right hand she took the meat, she smashed it, so made it soft. With the which hand? Left hand, she just pressed open the Owlie's beak. This is the Owlie's beak. Small she opened it. Okay, and she showered the food inside. In a second, Owlie fell off a perch onto the floor of the cage. She lay on her back on the floor of the cage with feet up in the air. Suddenly what happened? After that Payal mother gave that meat, suddenly the owl, what it did from the rod it was there, no? It fell down. The owlie, it fell down. Both the legs were upside and the body was downside, means seeing the upside, means seeing the sky, like that it fell down. Okay. So by seeing this, what happened? Mom, Payal cried, you have killed her. Payal said, Mom, what you did? You have killed the owlie, means that small owl you have killed. Payal mother was equally aghast. Oh, she said. Miss Payal mother also thought, what I have did? Oh my God. Like that she said, what have I done? What I did? The poor little bird. After Payal and her mother has finished crying and hugging each other, they started talking bravely about where to bury owlie. Miss, after seeing this one, Payal said to her mother, Mother, what you have did? You have killed the owlie. But this mother said, oh God, I didn't think of it anything, just I was feeding to the owlie only. So okay, they started, both of them, they started crying, they used to hug each other. Then after that they thought what to do, how to bury this owlie. Okay, so in the meanwhile what happened? The owlie just then opened one eye and then two other. What happened after a little time? The owlie opened one eye, then after another eye also. She got on her feet and quietly climbed to the perch. Slowly it opened both the eyes and it climbed and it came again on the rod and it sat on the perch. Payal learned later that falling on her back and pretending to be death was owlie's way of defending herself against danger. Though afterwards only this Payal came to know. Actual, when the owlie felt that it was in danger, it used to pretend. Pretend means it used to act that it has died. So by seeing there, no, the hunters, no one will catch the owl. So it was a pretending, means it was just acting only. Really did not die at all. Okay. So Payal mother was a danger to owlie, but the baby owl did not know that then. So it was owlie's first day at home. Owlie don't know that really Payal mother is feeding her, she is taking care of her. That owlie don't know because it was small baby and that was the first day in the house of Payal's. So only the owl pretended like this. In the beginning, owlie had to be forced to eat. Starting every day, Payal mother used to prick her beak and used to feed for the owlie. Start in the beginning means in the starting. That was mom's job. But owlie soon realized that if a hand come towards her in the meant food, her mouth would open automatically and her beak would snap around that was offered. Then later on, what happened? The owlie realized it, means if the cage is open, Payal mother, if one hand is coming bringing something, that means it thinks that they are bringing food for me. So automatically the beak used to open up the owlie. Owlie found it difficult to know when she was being offered food and would try to take a bit out of any hand that comes her way. That means lot of bitten fingers for Payal and her mother. Okay, so the owlie just it kept it in mind whenever the hand comes inside the cage means they are giving food only. Sometimes every time so we used to give food or what for a particular time only we used to give food. Sometimes Payal used to play with the owl. If they bring the hand near the cage means it used to prick it because not that is biting. The owlie is thinking that they are giving something to eat. Okay, so reading up more about owl and the habit, Payal discovered that owlie was a spotted owlet. It has a typical grey-brown coat, heavily spotted with white, the pale face, yellow eyes and the whited neckband. Means here they have described about the owl. So about the habit of the owl and what was the color? The color already I told you it was the grey-brown coat and in that heavily spotted means the dots everything. And it was pale face, okay, and yellow eyes. What was the color of it has the yellow eyes, that means that inside of the eyelids it was very yellow in color, and white neckband, and then near the neck it was like a white neckband which looked like a ribbon. Payal decided by seeing this white we used to think that there was something tied like a ribbon. Okay, so Payal decided. Soon Payal took over the job of looking after Avli. She saw that the cage was cleaned every day. She filled the water bowl. So every day the Payal used to take care of this Avli cage. Miss, what she used to do? She used to clean it, the cage. Then she used to fill the water in the water bowl to drink for Avli. Once Avli began to eat by herself, Payal too could feed her. Then afterwards, little bit, the Avli had the habit by eating through Payal's hand. Okay. She loved the way of Avli took a piece of raw meat from her hand. During the day, Payal kept the cage covered. Owl are night birds, so they sleep during the day. Do you know about the owl? Yeah, some interesting story about the owl. The owl, no, whole day it used to sleep, means during the daytime. At the night time only they used to you go for the hunt of the food. Night only the owl can see very clearly everything. And one more interesting thing about the owl. If owl is concentrating in any one thing, means whatever may be happen, it never used to take the eyes from it. The body may be moving, but the head, it won't move at all. It will be as it is, fixed. It was like that. It was some interesting story about the owl. The same way, what happened? Whole during the daytime, the owl used to sleep. So at night, when owls are active, Payal took off the cover. They have to decided that they would let Avli fly away once she had grown bigger. But that meant that she had to learn to fly. To do that, Avli had been in a closed room. Okay, actually what Payal mother and Payal used to do, after the birds are grown up, whether they are able to fly, they used to open the cage and they used to let the birds to fly. But the same thing only, even the Payal mother used to decide about the owl also. Let the owl become big, grow big and let it be fly. Then afterwards even they decided to open the cage and let the owl to fly. After much decision, Avli cage was shifted to the library. It was a lovely room with 2 doors. Okay, now before it was in a cage only. So little bit grown. After that, what they decided? They decided to keep the cage in the shifted to the library, means from the room to the cage to the library they used to keep that. It was a lovely room with 2 rooms. The library, how it was? It was very lovely with 2 doors it was. So one which led to the rest of the house and other was open into the garden. Means if the 2 doors was there, if one door it was open, they can see the house, everything. If the other door was open, they can see the garden. Okay, so like that way. It was also Payal's favorite room. This room was very favorite to Payal. It has tall bookshelves and I spent hours there. So this was a library I told you, and this Payal was Payal's favorite room also. Why? Because there was in the shelf lot of books. So sometimes Payal used to come and read the books in this room. The book shelves has a lot of little knife cats. Her mother loved pretty things and displayed them along with the books. So there were beautiful pieces of pottery, dolls from wherever that they have travelled, and of course wooden and clay animal birds from all around the world. Even most of the houses, if you see, you can see the pottery, means small parts. Then wherever we go, whatever we see, they are very artificially very it was very attractive. We used to buy and keep it in our house also. So flower pot, flowers, hanging hanging things, and made up of the plastic things also, like that so many things we used to keep in our house for the decorative. So the same way Payal mother also used to do. Wherever she goes, whenever she sees any pretty things, she used to buy and she used to keep it in a room, library room. Okay, so it may be of that wooden clay also, maybe clay made up of animals, like that she used to keep. Once Avli was moved to the library, strict rules were laid down from everyone in the house. The 2 doors were never to be left open, not at night, not on the day. Every night Payal would leave the cage door open and put a plate of mince meat on the top of the cage. This was so that when Avli fly out of her cage, she should also learn to find her food. Okay, so what happened after keeping in the library the owlie? They made some rules. That means that both the doors should not be open at all. Maybe daytime, yeah, maybe the night time. Why? Because the owlie must know how to fly. If we send the owlie outside, it must be able to find the food by itself. So they used to keep the meat on the owlie's cage, means on the top of the cage they used to keep. Okay. Then last what happened, Payal would shut the cage door every morning when she popped in to say hello to owlie before going to school. So what happened, every day Payal used to come in the morning. She used to pop, she used to see to the owl and she used to say hello owlie before going to school. Okay. So she would always find owlie on her perch inside the cage. Though the cage door was still open, but Payal no owlie was flying because she found bits of meat all over the room. After some time, Payal stopped shutting the cage down even during the day. After all, people seldom went into that room all day and owlie was always asleep, so there seemed little point. Miss, as we know, all the time, the daytime, the owl always used to sleep only. So little bit they used to understand about the owlie. So later on what they did, they used to open the door during the daytime. She knows very well, if the door is also open, the daytime the owl won't go outside. It won't flow outside. So every day when Payal came back from school, the first thing she did was to peep into the library. Really, even if you have any lovebirds in our house, yeah, little cat, yeah, that was the pet animals we used to keep in our house. So what we will do, before going to school, small children used to go and see whether it is safe, it is there in your home, yeah, what, we used to say hi, hello, bye, like that we used to go. Then after coming from school, what we will do, the first thing we will throw a bag and we will go to and see whether the birds is inside the cage, whether the dog is there, whether the cat is there, yeah, whatever, parrot if you keep in your home, parrot is there, yeah, what, that is the first thing whatever we do. The same way the Payal also used to do. After coming from school, she used to go and peep in the library whether the owl is inside it or not. So usually she would found owlie fast asleep on her perch, but today it was different. The cage was empty and there was no sign of owlie. So the same way it happens, the same way she saw, it happened like this. Miss, when she came from school, she saw that the door of the cage was open. The owls used to be in the cage, no, it was open and there was no sign of owlie. Miss, she was seeing inside the room. She saw everywhere. She did not see the owl. The owl was missing. So only. The cage was empty and there was no sign of owlie and the door to the garden was open. So Mom, Payal howled, who left the garden door open? How will we find owlie now? Now the same way when she came, she saw that the door was open, there was no owl. So only Payal shouted to her mother, Mother, where is the owl? It is not there. And who opened the garden door? Like that she was asking her mother. She must be somewhere around. They shut the garden door and looked in every corner of the room. So immediately Payal mother, what she did, she closed the garden door and she searched. All of them, they were searching. Payal mother was searching where the owlie is there. Behind doors, on the top of the tall bookshelves, in every nook and cranny, no owlie. So sad. Miss, they were searching around all the place. The bookshelves they were searching and the top of the rooms, the corner, everything they were seeing and searching. Who? Payal and Payal's mother. But they did not find owlie. So tears ran down Payal's cheek. Really or not? Whatever the pet animals, if you keep, if it was missing, it fly away, we used to cry or not, we will feel very sad. The same way Payal, tears came from her eyes. Okay. So they had wanted owlie to fly away, but not so soon. Payal know very well, when the birds, yeah, whatever they are bringing, if they are grown, they used to let the birds fly. So same way, Payal know very well, anyhow the owlie they are going to send only, but she didn't think that so soon, so soon this owlie will fly away. That Payal did not think about it. So but not so soon. She was still so small. How would he hunt for her food? What if a kite or eagle swooped down on her? Finally, Mom said, well, now Owlie has gone. We may as well leave the doors open and air the room. Wiping her tears, Payal opened the doors to the room. She hoped secretly that Owlie would come if the doors were kept open. So what to do? Now they finally find out that Owlie has fly away from the room. Okay, but even though what that mother said, she was thinking the Owlie was very small. If he fly out, how she will be able to manage and hunt the food? Because the kite and eagle, you know, it may be fly very, that was a huge bird, it was. So if they catch this Owlie will be died, no. So they were thinking about it, but what can they do? They can't do anything. So now finally the owl has flew away. So what Payal mother did, she wiped Payal's tears and she opened that room, everything she kept it open, let the air come inside. But Payal she was thinking, if you keep these doors, the rooms, everything open, maybe sometimes this Owlie maybe come inside to a room. Okay, so Mom left the room to go down to do her afternoon errands. When she came back a couple of hours later, Payal was sitting gazing mournfully at Owlie's cage. Why don't you find yourself a good book to read? Mom asked. She knew that reading a book was the only way Payal would cheer up. Miss, afterwards what happened? Payal mother went to do the food, prepare food. She went. But after a hours later, she came to see where is Payal. But what Payal was doing? She was sitting and talking slowly near that Owlie's cage. So Payal mother thought, then somehow we must change our mind. So she said to Payal, why don't you read any books from stage? So many types of story books are there. So any one you take and read the book that you would be cheer up. When Payal was sad, she always read. Okay, signed Payal, and started looking for a book she had not read. Then what Payal said, even though she was sad because the Owlie flew away. But what can we do? Nothing can be done for it. So she went to read the book that she has not read before. The book she has not read before. She noticed a curio on a shelf that she had never noticed before. Hello, where did this one come from? She wondered. Where did her mother get the owl from? She was about to pick it up into the curio opened one night. It was Owlie, pretend to be a curio. Mom, blabbed Payal, she is back. Don't you ever give me a fight like that again. She scolded the owl and she put her back in her cage. Payal swore later that Owlie winked back at her. She probably did. So when she was trying to find out a book to read, on the cupboard she saw one curio. Miss, different type of one thing was sitting. So she has not seen before. She said to that, hello, where did you come from? She was asking to that, Miss, maybe different type, whatever is this sitting. She said, hello, where did you come from? She was wondered. She said, she called her mother, Mummy, come here, come and see what is here. And after picking it out, they found that it was an owl. So that Payal was very happy to see the owl. That Owlie was pretending to be a curio. So Mom brought to Payal, see, it doesn't go anywhere. It was on the book shelf only, hiding in some places. So now Payal was very happy. She said in little bit, not really angrily, but she said to owl, don't do like this again. Don't go out of the room, okay, and don't come out of the cage. By saying this one, the Payal picked the owl and she put it in her cage again. So this was the owl story. This was the owl story. Okay, children, I hope you would have enjoyed this story. Each and every animals you must take care of it. Okay, so I hope you would have understand and enjoyed, children. Okay, do your homework, whatever they are sending through our school. Okay, be safe in your home. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Obey your parents and very happy. Thank you. Best of luck.